Hi all, silent struggle. Why some foreigners fail in Philippines relationships? It's not just love, performance. Can you keep up? She will notice. She won't see it, but she feels it. This ends relationships fast. Reality hits hard, not about love, it's performance. Nell Solomon here. Today, I'm going to talk about something that many men, especially foreigners, don't want to talk about. But they should, because I've seen it, I've heard it, and I've lived around it. And if you ignore this, it can destroy your relationship, your confidence, and your peace of mind. Let's be real. When older men come to the Philippines, they are not just looking for companionship. They are also entering a relationship with someone younger, more energetic, and sometimes with different expectations. Talk about age gap reality, energy mismatch, emotional versus physical expectations. Most Filipinos will not embarrass you. They are polite, they are caring, they will smile. But silence does not mean satisfaction. Avoid blaming tone, focus on unspoken tension, body language, distance, subtle changes. This is where it becomes dangerous because now it's no longer just physical, it becomes psychological. Loss of confidence, overthinking, jealousy, withdrawal. Arguments increase, accusations, control behavior, financial compensation, attempts buying happiness. Some men try to replace emotional connection with money, gifts, allowance increases, lifestyle upgrades, but deep inside, the insecurity is still there. This is not about blaming men, and this is not about blaming Filipinas. This is about compatibility. Age gap is not just numbers. Lifestyle mismatch matters, expectations must be realistic. If you are dealing with this issue, here is my honest advice. Choose emotional compatibility over appearance. Avoid pressure situations. Be honest early. Don't chase validation. At the end of the day, peace of mind is more important than proving something to someone else. You deserve respect. You deserve understanding. But you also need to be honest with yourself. If you have erectile dysfunction or performance issues, choose wisely and smartly. Remember, social media aids ka Filipina post everything. Imagine your performance becoming content. I'm Nell Solomon. See you next episode.